accomplished. Ease. All right, so for breakfast, I meal prepped these breakfast sandwiches yesterday, and they have turkey bacon, eggs, peppers, spinach, and green onions, and a slice of cheese. So I'm just gonna put this in the microwave and heat it. This is what we're working with. I think it's hot enough, so hopefully that's good. Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a week. I'm going to focus on high protein meals and try to get in 100 grams of protein at least per day, and try to eat like mostly at home, mostly clean. I'm definitely not perfect at all. I don't track anything. I don't track macros, calories, anything like that. I eat really intuitively. Right now, I really want a matcha. We love matcha. It doesn't taste like grass. It tastes good. I do add a little stuff to it though. I mean, I can't lie, like there's vanilla in here, so. All right, let's go to work. It is lunchtime and I'm gonna have some leftovers. Big batch of chili last night, so I'm gonna heat some of this up. Not all of it, there's actually like so much chili in here. I'm taking my full lunch break today. I set a timer for an hour and I edited a YouTube video for a little while. I went and got the mail and I have about like 20 minutes left of lunch, so let's eat. I'm just gonna eat it straight out the pot because why dirty a dish? Shredding a little Colby Jack cheese. And just like that, lunch is served. I also filled up my water. I'm gonna try to drink all of this before dinner time. So, I don't know. I went back to my Hydro Flask just because I got kind of sick of my Stanley and like the shape of it, and it's just, my Hydro is just so cute. All right guys, I think I'm gonna head to the library for the end of the day and get some work done, and I'm gonna bring a little snack with me. Just gonna bring one of these bars. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat it. I'm not like starving yet, but I might get hungry later, so always bring a snack. And of course, I'm also bringing my water and my chapstick and my AirPods. And my phone. All right guys, I'm back from the library. It is like 5:10 and honestly actually I have a bit of a migraine right now, so I'm gonna chill on the couch for a bit until Brian comes home and see what he wants to do for dinner. I think I know what we're gonna make, but I'll keep it a surprise for y'all. Guess what we're making?
Onion.
Nice. I'm gonna marinate some chicken for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna do that really quickly. It needs to sit overnight in the marinade, so it should be pretty easy, but I'll show you how I'm doing it. I found this recipe on Instagram and I'm gonna actually make a sauce with it too, but I'll do that tomorrow when I'm putting together my meal prep. All right, so I'm gonna start with some olive oil. All right, adding in some garlic. All right, so these are the spices that you'll need. And you'll need 1 lemon. You can do the zest and the juice of the lemon, but Brian's not a big fan of lemons, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of the juice. Okay, so I trimmed them a little bit and then I just kind of moved them around in here with the marinade. I think I'm gonna do a little crack of salt. I hope there's enough marinade. I think there is. All right, I'm just gonna put this in the fridge overnight and then we'll bake it up tomorrow. Good morning, it is Tuesday. I am drinking some water, my hair's a mess, and let's do another full day of eating. I have a sneaking feeling that it's gonna look a lot like yesterday because I still have leftover chili and breakfast sandwiches, but I'm gonna make some coffee and then I have a few meetings and then I'll probably do breakfast after that. Honestly, my appetite yesterday was not that huge. And I've been fluctuating a lot lately with like how big my appetite is. So we'll see if I do like a snack today. I probably should, but I did just start my period too. So we hate that. I mean, we like it because we're not pregnant, but we hate dealing with it. Anyways, I need some coffee. All right, guys, it's like 10:30. It's definitely time to eat my breakfast that I meal prepped. Let's heat it up. I think I'm gonna put some hot sauce on this time. Yum. Probably the best way to do this is to take it apart and just put it in the microwave like this. Ooh, my microwave is a mess. Don't look. All right, here's what we're looking like. I think the cheese melted, so I'm gonna add a little Cholula. One thing I will say, the bagel does get slightly soggy, but it's still really good, honestly, for like a 1-minute meal. Let's go, I'm excited. So I did have this yesterday and it was good, but let's try it with the hot sauce. Yep, it's pretty good. It is lunchtime. And I need to eat kind of quickly because I need to go to the DMV. So I'm gonna heat up the rest of this chili, probably just on the pot, honestly, 'cause it's already in here. And yeah, it'll be the same as what I had for lunch yesterday, but this is the last of the chili, so. What up, y'all? I just finished at the DMV. And my registration was really expired, so I actually have to go back in 3 months and get the next registration for next year, but it's okay. I'm legal. I think I'm gonna work at a coffee shop, and I just got here. This is one of my favorite coffee shops. Probably not gonna get any food, but I might get a little drinky drink, so let's see what I get. I actually feel like a coffee, weirdly enough, and I never drink coffee past noon normally, and I normally only have 1 cup of coffee a day. I'm usually pretty adamant about it, but coffee just sounds like it's gonna hit right now, and I have some work to finish up, so luckily I brought all my work stuff with me because I wasn't sure if I wanted to stop or not, but screw it, why not? All right, it is after work and we're gonna get Chick-fil-A tonight. We usually actually get Chick-fil-A on Tuesdays, so this is nothing new. Brian had a long day, I had a long day. I will be meal prepping later tonight though. I'm gonna make that chicken and rice meal prep that I was talking about yesterday and a really good sauce that I'm excited to try. So I'll show you guys what I get from Chick-fil-A. I'm not sure if I wanna get the grilled sandwich or the regular today, but need my purse. Ew, that's really dirty. Oh well.
None of pain with the money, none of pain. And I went platinum, still in the hood. And I take the gang with me everywhere I go.
Hi, for Lizzie. Uh-huh. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You do the same. I got a grilled chicken sandwich, but I added, oh no! It's fine, it's fine. But I added some American cheese. This looks really good, I'm starving, so let's dig in. Alrighty, so this is what I'm gonna season the rice with. I'm just going pretty simple, chicken bouillon and salt and probably some butter towards the end. Okay, so I have the rice cooking, the chicken cooking, and I'm gonna prep some zucchini. I'm gonna air fry it with some seasonings and yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the sauce. Sorry about the air fryer noise. I'm still air frying my zucchini, but this is what you need for the sauce. It's green onions, mint, jalapeno, some Greek yogurt, and some lemon. And then I'm gonna blend it up in this blender cup because I think that'll be the easiest. Alright, I hope this blends up okay because there's not a lot of liquid in here, but let's give it a try. I can already tell this is gonna take a while. I think he did it in a food processor in the videos. I don't have a food processor, so we're gonna have to play the slow game here. Okay, so I tried to thicken up my sauce a little bit. It's still pretty watery, but I think it's fine. It is spicy though, and I like spicy, but I'm hoping it's not too spicy. Gotta switch out my zucchini and cook the rest, and I think my chicken is done as well. Ooh. All right, so the chicken is looking delicious and crispy. I'm so excited to try it tomorrow.
Now I don't really wanna go, but you don't really wanna stay. Baby, step into my soul, and you can take it away.
All right, the meal prep is completed. I did only add sauce on 2 of these, and I'm gonna have Brian try the sauce before he adds it on his because it is really spicy. So I'm just gonna put the rest of that on the side and he can add it if he wants it. But I liked it. Yeah, it doesn't need much, honestly. I also have this extra one, but I didn't film it because it wasn't as aesthetic, you know? This literally, I'm so excited and like thankful that I did this tonight because I was feeling really low energy today and I literally accomplished so much. All right, I'm in the mood for a little fruit cup for dessert, not my usual dessert. I think it's diced peaches. I'm gonna make my coffee. I'm gonna try to make it the same as I'm gonna try to make it how the coffee shop made it yesterday. It was like a cinnamon vanilla latte and it was so, so good. Coffee time. I need it. I don't know why this hair is doing this morning. I need to wash my hair, but probably tomorrow, Another day, another sleigh. I'm ready to have a nice productive Wednesday and try my meal prep later. I'm really excited about that. So But first, coffee. I really, really need it. I slept like a rock last night. It was perfect. This looks so freaking good. I did a lot of ice this time, so let's taste test. Hopefully it's not too cinnamony. All right, we're gonna do a taste test and see if it tastes like the one at the coffee shop yesterday. It's close. I think I was a little too heavy-handed with the cinnamon. I mean, it's still good. Like, it's not well, it's overpowered, but like, it's still good. I like cinnamon. This is pretty good. I'm almost getting a grainy flavor from the cinnamon, but it's not. I'll just know for next time. But this is really, really close to that latte I had. The only difference was this is oat milk and I used whole milk in the latte. This would be really good with whole milk. Honestly, I might switch to whole milk when I run out of my oat milk because I'm kind of like bored of oat milk. Usually when I buy a coffee out, which isn't that often, but you know, every now and again, I just get whole milk in it and it just tastes so much better. And I don't really think oat milk has that many health benefits. I don't know. I might just switch it up because I feel like it. It doesn't really matter if it has health benefits if I like it. Luckily, I don't have meetings like first thing today. It's kind of nice because then I can like ease into the day a little bit. I poured myself a little glass of orange juice and I'm ready to start working now. Okay, so I'm microwaving my breakfast sandwich. It's the same sandwich I've been eating this whole video. I think I realized what it needs. I think it needs like some chipotle mayo or something, like something with a little bit of spice, and that would hit. So I don't have that, but for next time. Oop. It is now 2 o'clock and I finished up a bunch of work today. I'm like on fire, but I'm gonna heat up my meal prep and just take a little bit of a breather. I don't know if I'm gonna take a full hour. I'm gonna give myself the option to if I feel like it or not, but whew, I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling like stuff is just rolling. We are getting it done. I love it. And I've just been extra cozy today. I definitely wore this sweatshirt yesterday, so don't judge me. It's clean, okay? It's clean enough. Isn't this angle just so cool? You're literally in the fridge right now. Right, so I'm gonna eat the non-uniform container one first. Look at that. As you can probably tell, I'm pretty obsessed with LaCroix. All right, here's the prep. The chicken was on the bone, so I took it off the bone. I'm probably just gonna mix this all together. Let's give it a try. I haven't really tried this yet. It's not bad. I think it needs some salt though. I'm not gonna lie, is this my absolute favorite meal in the whole world? No, but it's pretty good and it's already prepped. I have to eat it for two more days, help me. All right, finished my food. I'm gonna go on a little walk because it's a beautiful day and I need to touch some grass after being on the computer all week. Back from my walk and I feel like I need a smoothie right now, so I'm gonna make a little smoothie. And I have some spinach too that I can throw. Smoothie time. And it hits every time. Love smoothies. Oh, this one's so good. God damn. Look how long my pothos is getting. So long and beautiful.
Arguing again.